Should I retain an employment lawyer? My name is Stephen, and today I will help you answer the question. The world of employment is complex and can lead to many workplace disputes and misunderstandings. Whether you're an employee or an employer, it's never too soon to understand your legal entitlements or obligations. Employment relationships are regulated by laws that govern workplace disputes and legal liabilities. Both employers and employees might need an employment lawyer to deal with workplace issues, but it is important to determine your legal rights and obligations as soon as possible. Hiring an employment lawyer can be helpful before an employment relationship begins, during it, and when it ends. An employment lawyer can help you review contracts and policies. Employment contracts and policies can be complex and have serious legal consequences. An employment lawyer can assist with reviewing and drafting employment documents to limit misunderstandings and minimize the risk of workplace disputes and lawsuits. They can also advise employees on human rights claims or workplace harassment claims. Issues such as workplace bullying, harassment, safety, human rights violations, non-compliance, and contract changes or breaches can often arise in the workplace. A lawyer can help both employees and employers determine their risks, obligations, and next steps in resolving a workplace issue. Termination of employment is the most common time for hiring a lawyer. In Ontario, an employer must provide working notice or severance pay to an employee who is fired without cause. If an employee's contract does not have an enforceable termination provision, they may sue for wrongful dismissal. If an employer tries to change an employee's job description without consent or force an employee to resign, the employee can sue for constructive dismissal. An employer can also terminate for cause, but must have sufficient evidence and investigation. An employment lawyer can advise on termination and severance entitlements. The value of hiring an employment lawyer varies depending on the individual case. Sometimes, a simple consultation may be sufficient, while in other situations, hiring a lawyer to provide independent legal advice or assist with legal proceedings can actually save you money. In negotiations, an employment lawyer can help secure their client's legal rights and even ask for reimbursement of the employee's legal fees incurred before settlement. In Ontario, the winning party can also receive some or all of their legal costs in addition to damages. Some employment lawyers may also take a percentage of the damages secured for the employee on a contingency basis, minimizing the upfront cost for the employee. Employers can also benefit from the expertise of an employment lawyer by reducing legal risks and exposure to costly damages. For instance, having a lawyer draft or update employment agreements can prevent costly severance payments or other damages. Consulting with an employment lawyer can be beneficial at any stage of an employment relationship. Whether you're an employee or an employer does not matter, as both can benefit from the protection of their rights, reduction of liabilities, and achievement of desired outcomes with the help of an employment lawyer. Do you have questions related to employment law? Call Randy I Law Office today for a free legal consultation.